Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech. Alright, and this is where I do a lot of unboxing videos, reviews on certain techs. Okay, so if you're a person who got your iPhone and you want to get a case at a budget, this is the channel for you. Okay, so as you can see on my channel here, I do a lot of unboxing, especially with phone cases, to try and help you out in deciding which cases to get, or if you're contemplating on one, then you probably see the unboxing here and you can make your decision from there. Okay, so without further ado, this case, I got this case from Amazon. It's made by Cases and it's the logo view. Okay, so it's a Cases logo view, and I recently unboxed this same brand and the same design for my 13 Pro Max, except the color was a light brown instead of this color. So this one we're gonna unbox today. But let me take it out of the plastic here, get these out of the way for you so we can focus on the case. So this is the rose gold version of the Cases logo view. Okay, and this is gonna be for the gold iPhone 13 Pro. So on my channel I previously did the light brown for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which was my phone. This is my wife's phone. So she liked the case, but she wanted one but not the same color. She wanted like a rose gold, and I checked on Amazon and they definitely had it in rose gold, so that was a plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little review on this case for you guys as along with the unboxing. Okay, so I got my wife's phone. I made sure I asked her for the phone so I could actually put it on the phone so you can see what the case looks like. Okay, so this is a rose gold version. As you can see, has the same kind of stitching going around here as on the one that I had for the Pro Max, which was the light brown. So not to get it mixed up, we're gonna focus solely on this one right now. Okay, I was just telling you so you could go ahead and check that video out if you want to see a different color. Okay, so here's the case. It does have the logo view here, which is a circle here that's cut out to expose the logo on the back of the iPhone. And again, this is the iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, and we have the stitching going around here as well. It does have a little lip here to protect your camera bump if your phone is put down on the back or so, to offer you some protection there. At the bottom here is the same black TPU that's inside here, that's at the bottom, no leather covering there. So we do have a little leather trim right here on the left side of the phone with the logo, the Cases logo stamped in there. We also have here, which is the volume up and down and your silent switch cutout here. And at the top here we also have the leather trim on the top. Okay, on the right side here, the power button has the same black TPU here, no leather trim going around it. It stops right below and right above the switch, the power button, as you can see. And inside is matte TPU. Okay, no leather lining inside, which I wouldn't complain for a case that's $15. Can't expect too much. Okay, but it looks really nice. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do here, I'm just gonna take this and put it on the phone, and we're gonna see how it looks on the gold iPhone. So let's put this case on. Here we go. Make sure it's snug, and as you can see, it looks really nice and flush from the top here. Wow, it has a little lip to protect your device if you put it face down. Okay, on the bottom here, as we saw before, just a black TPU, no leather trim. On the right side, however, we have some nice highlights here with the trim, the rose gold leather here on the side, at the top as well. Okay, and this is gonna be the left side, where we have some more trim here and volume up and down, and the silent switch cutout is gonna be all black. Okay, so from the back, let's take a look at the back here. So this is what it looks like from the back. We have our camera cutout, looks really nice, precise and snug, and it does have a lip here to protect your phone just in case it falls on the back here, or if you put it down on the back. It does offer some protection for your camera. Okay, Also, here's the cutout, the logo view. Expose the Apple logo here, looks really nice. Okay, that's why it's called the logo view, because it does expose the Apple logo. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The power button, the buttons are really nice and clicky. You don't have to do too much to get these buttons to respond. Don't have to put too much pressure. That's what I really like as well. Volume up and down, nice and clicky. Don't have to press too hard to get these buttons to respond. And that's how it looks from the front again, nice and uniform. So it does offer protection for your screen and your camera bump, so you don't have to worry about that if you're thinking about getting this case. And let's take a final turn around on this case. Okay, a final spin. So this is how it looks from the back. Okay, this is the left side. Again, it does have the logo engraved here. This is how it looks from the top, and then we have the right side here. Okay, so I definitely would recommend this case. It looks really nice. I thought it would look a little bit off or even weird with the black trim, with the rose gold, the black trims here, and the gold phone, but it's a nice combination if you see this in person. So I would definitely recommend it. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. If you're interested in getting this case, I'm gonna have the link in the description, so make sure you go ahead and make your purchase using those links. If you want to get this case, it's offered on Amazon, so I'm gonna have all the links for the iPhone 13, 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max. Unfortunately, this case is not offered for the iPhone 13 mini, but if you have a 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, then you're in luck. Okay, I'll have all the links in the description to make your purchases. And if you like what you saw so far in this video, I'd definitely appreciate a subscription. So just go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to get notified when I have the next upload on my channel. All right, thank you for watching again. Peace.